Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is a look inspired by watermelon of all things. I thought because it's summer and it's been so warm, like watermelon is just like the perfect little snack. And yeah, I just really inspired by the colours of it, and this is the look that I did. Obviously it doesn't look like watermelon, it's just using the colours, but if you want to see how I did this look, then carry on watching. So I've just done my base as normal, using the same things as always, so that's why I haven't shown you that. And we're just going to get straight on to doing the eyeshadow. not? I really want watermelon right now. I mean, after doing this, I just want to eat it. But yeah, this is my finished look. As you can see, it's so easy to do as always, which is what I always try and do on this channel, is make things as easy to follow as possible and without using like 10 million different products. And yeah. And as you can see, I am slowly getting better with eyeliner. I mean, it's not brilliant, but at least it's on my face, which is more than what it used to be. So I hope you like this look, and if you'd like me to do more fruit inspired looks, that sounds really, really weird, but you know what I mean, then please let me know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. I'll see you soon with another. Bye!